Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm you have compatible smart bulbs and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Next, install the Google Home app on your phone and sign in with your Google account. Make sure each bulb is powered and in pairing mode for at least 5 seconds before continuing. Keep your phone on the same 2.4 GHz network and enable Bluetooth for discovery. Also gather your Wi-Fi password and note room names you plan to use later. Screw each smart bulb into its fixture and power the light. Wait for the bulb to flash or follow the manufacturer method for pairing. Open the Google Home app and tap Add, then choose Set up Device and follow the on-screen prompts. Select Works with Google if the device requires linking to a brand account. Assign the bulb to a room name and test voice control by saying, "Hey Google, turn on the light." After connecting, open Routines in the Google Home app to create schedules. Tap Add a routine to set times, brightness levels, and group actions for automation. If a bulb fails to connect, reboot your router, power cycle the bulb, and retry the setup steps. Confirm the bulb firmware is up to date and that any required brand account is linked. Finally, test scenes, voice commands, and any group controls to ensure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.